Wait, you actually want me? You expect me to date that poor brat?
Why? Because he's poor? Because he's not in your class? Let me remind you that you're rich today is because of your dad. So do not let your pride ruin you of this opportunity. Come on, Fiona, at least you both have had a good flow of communication. Why do you want to ruin it now?
I beg, just stop it. I'm not in this mood for these your pep talks. If you like him so much, why don't you just go be with him? Huh? You know what?
Fiona, no! Fiona, hold on! Fiona!
You!
Fiona!
Did I have water in my mouth when I asked you to leave?
No, I was about leaving already.
So what are you still doing here? Huh? Will you get this thing out of this place this minute?
Fiona, from the very first day I set my eyes on you, I blah, 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 blah. Are you dumb? Are you stupid? So because you taught me how to cook, or because I gave you the privilege to come close to me, you think I like you? How stupid have you become? Now let me remind you, you were just a housekeeper. In fact, you're a maid. Yes, you're my maid. So know your place and respect yourself, okay?
Hey, listen. This is preposterous. I was clear on what I wanted. I wanted a female housekeeper, not a male one. Why are you sending this one that's looking like an orangutan to me? What's wrong with you? Huh? It has to be temporary, or else.
Dad.
Yes.
What's going on?
They sent us a male housekeeper instead of a female.
Then return him. Because I can't have a man doing my chores.
Ma'am, please, I'm very good at this job. I know you people don't want a male housekeeper, but I assure you I am a very professional housekeeper. Just give me a try, please. If I mess up 3 times, then you can fire me straight up. I'm only asking for 3 opportunities because I need just a little time to learn the do's and don'ts of this household.
Are you done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Dad, return him.
Sweetheart, why don't we, give him a try?
No, Dad. I do not want to have a man doing my chores.
Sweetheart, come, let's give him a try. If he messes up before he closes his eyes, he's fired. Now, show him to his room and show him around.
All right, Dad. I'll hold you responsible if anything happens with him.
Yes, my love, don't worry. Okay.
Are you still standing there?
I'm sorry, ma'am. So sorry.
This is the kitchen.
Thank you, sir.
He's thanking me. We haven't even started. What is this? Eh?
So obviously this is the pumping machine. This is where you always pump to get the water, and then this is the tank where you keep your stuff. Of course, so the cooker, whatever it's called, and this is the gas cylinders. When this one finishes, you switch it to this one, and you always have to buy gas. Okay. So yeah, look up. You can see that, right? That's where. Yeah, all these things. Then this is where you keep your broom and your stuff in it. So, of course, you already know that this here is where you stand. So, basically, my dad likes to sit here. So whenever he sits and he's done, you have to arrange it. He has to always be like this. I don't want to sit scattered. I say one chair here, the other chair here. No. He has to always be like this, talk like this, and very clean. And the grass, you always, take care of it. When you're cleaning the house, make sure you clean the windows as well and everything. Then you already have water here that you can always use to. And this place has to always look clean. Always look clean.
Life we know is not a tale of black and white. Oh, nothing is as simple as it looks. What we need may not be always by your side, no.
This is the kitchen, obviously. And like I mentioned earlier, I like freshly cooked meals every day. I do not repeat what I ate the day before the next day. If the rules are too much for you, I would advise you quit now before it's too late.
Oh no, not at all. The rules seem easy, ma'am.
Okay, I will show you around, and when you're done, you can settle in and fix us dinner. Come.
All right.
What? And you agreed?
Like I said, I had no choice. This is not the first time we're sourcing for a maid, and you know the story.
Yeah.
All the horrible experiences we've had with them. If he even makes the slightest mistake, he's fired.
I trust you.
You know.
Yeah.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, is there anything else you'd have me do for you?
This is fine. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
It's okay.
Well, at least he's handsome.
Handsome but broke. You're such a hoe.
I'm not.
Why are you staring like that?
That guy is cute.
So cute but broke. Broke.
Stop
Keyword
it.
broke.
Stop it.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes?
So you look really tired.
Yes, I am. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. So what do I prefer for you?
Jollof rice and chicken. Make it a little bit spicy.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, I'll do it right away.
Where's my daughter?
I think she's upstairs, sir.
Okay.
Are you enjoying the meal?
It's just there.
At least it's better than the last one.
Dad, if you're already losing your guard around him, I'm not.
I understand.
No, you don't. You don't understand. I'm the one wearing the shoes here. Is that not how the other one stole over 200K from me? So I'm not moved by his kindness.
Well, let's hope he continues with the good work.
I guess we'll see about that.
But it tastes nice.
Oh, please, Dad, you're exaggerating. The food is just there. I can cook way better than this.
Really? Fiona.
Dad?
Life we know is not a tale of black and white. Oh, nothing is as simple as it looks. What we need may not be always by our side. No. The ones you love may never love you back. No.
How do you expect me to calm down? I've not even stayed up to a week and I've already broken her perfume.
At least
Man, I don't know. I just don't know. She may not even notice she has so many of them.
Bro, calm down. It's just a bottle of perfume.
Yeah. Okay. I'll talk to you later. Let me go back to work, alright?
Uriel! Uriel!
Ma? Ma?
Can you explain to me why the perfumes on my table are not complete?
Ma'am. I'm sorry, I was going to tell you that.
That you stole it and thought I wouldn't notice, right?
No, ma'am. I'm not a thief. It fell from that place where I was cleaning the table.
It fell.
I
Wow.
Yes, ma'am.
Uriel, you haven't even spent a week in this house and you're already breaking things.
Do you know how much that perfume costs? Do you?
I'm so sorry, ma'am. I promise you it would never happen again.
You have 2 chances left. Ruin it and you're out of this house. Get out.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am.
Broke my most expensive perfume.
Excuse me, sir. Please, who are you?
I should be asking you who you are.
No. How do you just walk into someone's apartment and you're asking me who I am? My Oga did not tell me anyone is coming today. My madam did not tell me anyone is coming today. So please, I'm just trying to do my job. Explain yourself or you leave.
Wait, are you talking to me, Daddy?
I said, who are you? What are you doing here? Just leave already if you cannot explain yourself, sir.
Wait, are you crazy or something? Tell me, who are you?
Oga, you know...
Who are you?
I don't want to quarrel with you. Just leave, please. I'm doing my job. Just leave.
What exactly is going on here?
Madam, thank God you're here. This guy just got in here and sat down, picked up the remote. And I'm asking him, who are you? You didn't tell me anyone is coming today. You usually tell me if anyone is going to come. Oga too. I'm asking him who he is and he's just acting like a dummy.
Are you mad? Are you insane? Who is acting like a dummy? You better shut up.
I'm sorry, ma.
I said shut up. Can you imagine?
Good afternoon, sir.
Are you mad? See, the only reason why I'm going to let this slide is because of your ignorance. The next time you try this nonsense, you find yourself to be blamed. Idiot. Get out!
Thank you, sir.
Idiot.
Please calm down. I am so sorry.
When did you guys employ this stupid person? I'm so sorry. No manners, nothing, just...
I'm really sorry, please. Can we go? Just calm down.
It's fine. Man, you guys should do proper investigation before employing a mad person to this house.
There you go, ma. Ma, should I get you juice too? I am really sorry for what happened earlier today, ma'am. I honestly didn't know that was your guy. Please, ma, I was just trying to protect this space. Please, forgive me.
I'll take it that you were ignorant. The next time you treat my guest like that, you'll be out of this house.
My apologies, ma. I hope my 2 trials were not affected.
I never said you lost them.
Thank you.
Go.
Life we know is not a tale of black and white. Oh, nothing is as simple as it looks. What we need may not be
So what?
always by
Huh?
our side.
What?
No.
Yes?
I told you severally. James is the person I'm getting married to.
That irresponsible fop. What do you see in him? What?
Dad,
Yes?
we're talking about my boyfriend here. I don't like the names you're calling him. Please stop it.
Oh, Fiona. You get married to him and what happens next?
Then we live happily ever after.
Oh.
He loves me and I love him too.
So you live happily ever after. That's fairy tale. Oh, is that not the same irresponsible flop that led you into drugs? And we're just thanking God that you're getting out of it?
Come on, Dad. That was in the past. He made a mistake. People make mistakes all the time.
Oh, yes. People make mistakes, not when it concerns other people's lives. Oh, sweetheart, I'm just telling you to look a little deeper into this. Marriage is not something you just blindly bump into. It's not a touch and go thing. Look, my darling, there are so many red flags and you're not seeing them.
Well, Daddy, I have made up my mind. If I do not get married to James, I'm not getting married to anyone else.
The decision is yours. You've made it. But I hope, my darling, you also bear the responsibilities there too. So people can't eat their cakes and have it, can they? Oh, no. 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 No.
You know, I think you should tell James to come convince your dad that he's good enough for you. I mean, you're his only child. It's only normal that he gets protective of you.
Oh, please. Stop making excuses for my dad. My dad has always been like that. You know, sometimes I wonder if he has someone in particular he wants me to get married to. Because I really don't understand him. Anyways, I'm getting married to James, and that's fine now.
Are you sure you will still go for the pool party?
Of course. Why won't I go?
What if your dad finds out? What will you tell him?
How is he going to find out? Besides, I'm an adult. I can make my own decisions.
Okay. Big girl.
Of course,
I
I'm a
see.
big girl.
Okay, you need to dress up. Let's head out. What are you wearing?
You tell me. What am I wearing?
Okay. We have so many lovely clothes here.
Uriel? Uriel!
Yes, ma. Ma?
I'm going out. In case my dad gets home before me, call me, okay?
All right, ma.
If you don't call me and I come back to this house to meet my dad, I'll make this place miserable for you. Understood?
What's ma? I did for you, ma.
Good. He said I did for you. Come lock the door.
Okay, ma.
What are you doing?
Good morning, ma'am. I came to clean your room as usual.
How did I... What happened last night? Where's my dad? Wait. Did you call me last night?
Yes. As a matter of fact, ma'am, I called you severally, but you didn't pick up. Yes, your dad asked your whereabouts, but I told him you went to drop your friend off.
Okay, just leave whatever you're doing and leave my room.
Sorry, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Uriel, please, can you make me pepper soup?
Pepper soup?
Yes, please. I want a lot of pepper in it.
Right away, ma'am. Right away.
Oh, my head. Where's my bag? I need my phone or something.
How could you? How could you leave me in that state?
Babe, it wasn't as if I was the one that told you to drink that much.
Are you kidding me? For crying out loud, James, I am your girlfriend. Your responsibility.
Can you just stop, please?
Stop what?
Why do you do this every time? This nonsense emotional blackmail. I had myself to look after too.
You had yourself to look after too. Can you hear yourself speak? Huh? You left me there in that state. What if something bad happened to me? What if I was kidnapped? What would you have said? What would you have done? To think that you were the same person that insisted I went for that party.
Okay, babe. Babe, I'm very sorry. Okay. Probably I was just being selfish.
You were not just being selfish, James. You're always selfish. Always.
Babe, I will change. Promise. I will change. Okay?
It's fine. Meanwhile, I think it's high time you came to see my dad.
Oh, babe.
He's been asking questions only you have answers to.
Babe, why do you do this every time? Babe, just stop. Not this time again. Please, I have so many things giving me headache. I've told you times you don't know, but I need some time.
There we go again. I need time. I will come. I will... Excuses upon excuses. Are you not tired?
Babe.
Huh? This is the same thing you've been saying for over a year.
Babe, there's something I'm working on. And in no time, I'm going to come see your dad.
Yeah, you're always working on something.
Oh God, now, babe, stop. You know how much I love you now. Come on.
It's fine.
Say
It's fine.
I love you so much. Just give me that face, smiley face, please. Okay, I'm sorry. Trust me, I'm going to come see you. Don't worry, okay? No time, I'm going to come see your dad. Smile, give me a smiling face now. Come on.
Fine.
Okay, baby, that reminds me. How about the money you promised me?
Dad is yet to give it to me.
Oh, well, baby, it's urgent.
I know.
I trust you, baby. I trust you.
Honestly, I wasn't happy with you.
I'm so sorry, babe.
I was so mad. Like, why would he just leave
Babe,
me?
you know I love you so much. I'm so sorry.
I do.
Trust me, I do.
Promise me it will never happen again.
It won't. Trust me. Because I love you. Give me that smile.
Go away.
Bro, see, she's really very beautiful. I mean, it takes a lot of intentional effort not to even look at her 5 times or 6 times.
I can bet that if you make any move, you have one trial left. Just focus on your job. Don't start what you know you can't finish.
Bad enough, she even has a boyfriend, though the boy is a mumu man.
Guy, focus on your work and leave love alone. You are not in the same class with her.
It's alright. Yeah. We'll talk later. Let me go back to work now, right? It's my guy. It's so crazy, yeah.
Life we know is not a tale of black and white. Oh, nothing is as simple as it looks. What we need may not be always by your side. No.
Uriel,
Jesus, madam. I'm so sorry.
It seems like you were kissing someone in your dream.
Kiss? No.
Yes, kiss.
No, I made tiger nuts in the dreams. I was tasting it.
Oh, really? No, you were kissing someone. You needed to have seen how your mouth was elongated like a duck. My goodness. Whoever you were kissing, I pity the person. Anyways, I'm hungry. Come get me something to eat.
I'm sorry, my dozed off.
You're funny.
Sorry, ma. I'm coming, ma. There you go, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Is there something else you have me do for you, ma'am?
Sit with me.
Ma?
I'm bored. I've been trying to reach James since forever, but his number is not available, so I just need someone to talk to. If you can just sit with me and keep me company, I'll be really glad.
Sure. Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
So tell me about yourself. How come you know how to cook so well?
Well, my late mom was a chef, and I always assisted her in the kitchen. So I guess that's where I learned my basic culinary skills from.
I'm sorry for your mom's passing.
It's fine, thank you. How is it? I hope all the condiments are balanced. It's not too spicy or salty, right?
No, it's really good. You're a very good cook. Trust me.
Thank you, but I mean, we learn better when we get feedbacks.
Oh, please stop trying to form humble.
So, ma'am, basically, it's very understandable. That's stroke. That's how it is. You know, you guys don't really understand what stroke is. I study a lot, ma'am. Forget the fact that I'm a chef. I like studying vast. So, but ma'am, what we actually call stroke is actually cerebrovascular accident. Cerebrovascular accident means like the cerebral talks about the brain, the vascular talks about the heart. There's an accident. So there's usually blood supply to the brain. Just like there's blood supply to every part of the body, blood supply to the private regions, blood supply to the liver. So when there is blood supply to the brain, sufficient blood supply, everything is going well. But when there is an accident, maybe when there is not enough blood supply, stroke can occur.
Hold up.
Right.
How do you know about all of this? I'm not really surprised.
I study vast, ma'am. I study vast. You know, if I like to, you know, read, research, look at nutrition.
Did you study medicine?
No, I didn't.
So how do you know all of this?
Well, let's just say I'm a chef that likes to research. I research a lot, and you know,
That's impressive.
I love knowledge.
I'm very impressed.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm very, very impressed.
I'm glad I was able to, you know, tell you something.
Please, I'm enjoying your lecture. Go on. Ischemic and hemorrhagic. And
Hemorrhagic.
Hemorrhagic, sorry.
Hemorrhagic. That's why people need to exercise.
You know, the way you're talking so much about this guy, are you sure you won't start having butterflies for him?
Oh, please. Me?
Mm-hmm.
Fall for Uriel? That's impossible. Even in heaven, there is no possibility of that ever happening. Yes, he's a great cook and a good conversationalist, but he's not in my class.
Okay, if you say so. Why don't you hurry? Go get ready, let's go.
All right, let me get my bag.
Sia!
Where's Sia?
I don't know. She was.
Never mind. What do you think about this jumpsuit I'm wearing? I'm not quite sure I like it. I don't know if it makes any sense.
It looks awesome. It's great.
Are you sure?
Yes. It's just that the hair doesn't quite, look aligned properly.
Oh, okay.
Can I?
Sure. Go ahead, please. It was too full.
Yes, but no.
Babe, you're here already.
Good afternoon, sir.
Baby, please just calm down. He was only helping me fix my hair. Babe, relax. Oh, come on, let's go. Let's go. Baby, just calm down. Babe. Let's go, please. I'm sorry, let's just go. He's only helping me fix my hair.
Just talk. I need an explanation from you.
Babe, you need to calm down. I already told you that he was just helping me with my hair.
So, Sia couldn't help you with your hair. It has to be him, right?
Why are you overreacting?
Wow! Now I am the mad person here. I'm the one overreacting. God, it's fine. I'm the one overreacting. Now, get the hell out of my car.
What?
You heard me right. Get out! Get the hell out of my car.
You want me to get out of your car? How do you expect me to get home?
So you think I'm joking? You think I'm speaking English? Say, get the hell out of my car! Get the hell! Now, get out! Get out! Get out! Think I'm mad? Was touching your hair, busy touching your hair? You guys are playing love! You must be stupid! You're stupid! Playing love up and down! What kind of nonsense? I'm up for this kind of nonsense games?
Sir, he called me, sir.
Uriel?
Sir?
I like this.
Thank you, sir.
It's quite tasty.
It's my pleasure. Thank you, sir.
Good. What's your pay?
Thank you very much, sir, but the month has not ended yet, sir.
That's how I operate, huh? But anyway, if you keep doing well, I will give you some tips in the process, huh?
Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate this.
It's quite good.
It's my pleasure, absolutely.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay then.
Like, I'm so mad at him right now. He abandoned me on the road all by myself. What if I didn't go with my phones? Huh? How would I have gotten home?
And he hasn't even called to apologize.
That's the most annoying part of it. He hasn't called, neither has he apologized.
So what would you do now?
If he doesn't call to apologize by tomorrow, I'll call it off. I'm not even joking.
Who is
I'll call
talking?
it off.
You will call it off.
I'm not joking.
You've said the same thing 1,001 times, and yet you do nothing about it, so don't even go there.
This time around, I'm serious. I'm not joking.
Same thing you
He
said
just
the last
abandoned me on the road. What if something bad happened to me?
time. I know. It's okay. Cheer up, okay? I'm sure he will call you. Come on now, just smile.
Uriel! Please check who's at the door.
Cheers.
What's that?
Nice Mr. James.
Babe. But please. I'm very sorry.
It took you 3 days. 3 whole days to come and apologize, right?
Babe, I know you're still very hungry. I wanted you to just cool off before I come begging. Babe, I know I shouldn't have done that. I'm sorry.
But you left me. James, you left me.
Babe, I am very sorry. I promise me I can actually make it up to you. Just tell me what you want. I book a space for you, for us actually, at that restaurant you love going to. Babe, we could go to the cinema together. We could. I'm going to take you for shopping, to shop for the nice things you like. Babe, I'm so sorry. Can I just make it up to you?
James, very soon, your tactics will not work on me again.
Babe,
I hope you know that.
Babe, I'm not using any tactics. I'm just doing this because I love you. I'm so sorry, babe. Babe, come on. I love you. See, you are the reason why I exist, sincerely speaking, babe. I love you. I'm so sorry. Babe, see.
Don't touch me.
Babe, I'm so sorry.
Do not touch me.
Babe, sorry. Babe, oh God. See how pretty you are. God damn it. It's so fine, baby. Babe, I'm sorry.
Why'd you keep doing this to me?
Babe, I'm sorry.
Just because you know I love you so much.
And you know I love you too. I love you too, baby. Baby, give me that smiling face. Give me. So, won't you tell me to stand up?
Get up.
Baby.
Yeah.
I guess I could just come give you a hug. Wow. God. Okay, so do you know what? I want you to just go in there, dress up. I want to take you out today.
Where are we going to? My favorite place. Alright.
Okay.
You may wonder, you may question if true love still exists. 'Cause when you find the one for you, you will know. There's a special kind of feeling begins. When you find the one for you, you will know.
Why do we have to talk about this over and over again? I've told you before, I am not going to have sex before marriage. I won't.
Babe, come on. What about my sexual needs? Babe, come on. I've waited for 2 years. 2 good years.
I understand how you feel, baby. I know how you feel, but unfortunately, there's nothing I can do to help you at this point. But please just wait some more. I don't want to have sex before marriage. I can't do it. What if I get pregnant?
Of what difference does that make? Come on, we're going to get married. So if you get pregnant, that's like a +1 for us. Come on.
Exactly my point. We're getting married anyway, so just wait for me. When we get married, then I'll be all yours forever. You're getting married to a virgin, so you should be happy, baby. Okay, and if you want sex so bad, you can as well just come and marry me ASAP. Look, after marriage, I will be all yours for keeps. And you can do with me whatever you want to, any kind of style. All right, baby? Just wait a little more, baby.
It's fine. Just don't be angry if you get to hear that I slept with someone else.
James, why would you say a thing like that to me?
At least she's not fully engaged to him. So I can still make my intentions known. No. I wouldn't want her to think I like her because of her wealth. But I still have to try anyways. At least it's better I get a direct no than not trying at all. For the fear of getting a no. I'll just do it.
I can't find you.
Damn, this is beautiful. I would really love this dress for my birthday.
What are you saying? You have a man and a dad that can actually get you this.
Oh, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What's the point of wishing? I mean, you have a man and a dad that can actually get you this dress. So what's the point of wishing? All you have to do is make your request known and boom, this dress will be yours.
I know, right?
Besides, your birthday is a month away. What's the rush?
You know how I love birthdays and how I gush about my birthday.
I know.
You know what? Let me get something from upstairs. I'll be right back.
Okay. This is really cute.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm so sorry. Sorry to bother you, but I know this is kind of awkward, but I overheard my boss, your friend, talking about her birthday. Please, do you mind telling me exactly when it is, ma?
Well, it's July, 1st of July. Is there a problem?
No, not at all. I'm just curious.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Food is ready.
Wow. This is very attractive.
I know, right?
I just hope this tastes as good as it looks.
Well, let's just say you're going to find that out yourself.
Okay, I can just wait.
I guess you find out. Enjoy your meal.
Okay, thank you very much. Babe.
Enjoy, baby. Oof. You like?
What's this? Wait, were you cooking or you just poured salt into this whole thing? Didn't you taste this food? Can you see? Small thing you start telling me you want to get married, come and see my man, and you can't even cook a proper meal for me to eat.
Babe,
I'm disappointed.
Baby, if there is too much salt in the food, then it must be an honest mistake, and I'm sorry.
You're mad. In fact, you're just stupid.
Babe, why do you have to insult me?
I'm not going to just sit down here and watch you do some kind of experiment with my life.
Babe, I said I'm sorry. I wouldn't do this intentionally, baby.
Get out!
James.
Are you okay, ma'am?
Yes, I'm good. Just go into the kitchen and do what you must. Please clear this up.
I am so sorry for the delay. The food will be ready in no time, ma'am.
No. I actually came to watch you cook.
Okay.
Alright?
Ma'am.
This may sound a bit off, but can you please teach me how to cook? I really don't know how to cook and I would really love to learn.
Alright, that's fine. Let me just get the things for the tutorial.
Thank you.
I'm at your service, ma'am. So...
Ouch!
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Let's start with a simple meal. Come in.
This is so delicious. I can't believe I made this myself.
You know, you did a good job. I mean, cooking is not really that difficult. It's not. It's just for you to know the ingredients to use, the right proportion, and then there's just a lot of calculation here and there. Not that deep.
Well, I didn't get the chance to learn how to cook from little.
It's understandable. I mean, you weren't in a household where you're expected to cook always. Unlike me that every day I'm in the kitchen pounding pounding jam. I see my life depends on it.
Can you just stop
Pound
it?
Pound it. It's all good.
Uriel, thank you so much. Thank you for teaching me how to cook. I truly appreciate you.
You're welcome, ma'am. It's actually my pleasure, ma'am.
I'll need one more favor from you.
Oh, you want me to cook something for you?
Nope. I want you to always carry me along. Anytime you want to go into the kitchen to make any meal, just take me along.
Madam, now you go wrong because the kitchen is my office. That's where I stay.
Well, I'm ready. I'm up to the task.
So you'll be coming to the kitchen like 15 times in a day. Is that what you're saying?
15 times in a day? No, maybe twice in a day.
Then don't say whenever I want to go to the kitchen. Just say sometimes.
Okay.
Because I'm always going to the kitchen.
You know what I mean.
All right, ma'am. I understand you.
Thank
Nice meal, actually.
Yeah, I did great.
I'm proud of you, ma'am.
I'm proud of myself.
No question if true love still exists. Cause when you find the one for you, you will know. There's a special kind of feeling it gives. When you find the one for you, you will know. There's a special kind of feeling it gives.
Have you found it?
You should know that.
No, I can't find it. I can't.
Just check in the drawer. Check properly.
All right, this one.
Have you seen it, Dad?
So what's condom doing in your cupboard?
Oh, Dad, it's not what you think. I'll just have this and keep it right back.
So what exactly do I think? You've started sleeping around?
Dad, I'm not a child. I'm an adult and I can make my own decisions.
Absolutely. Absolutely. You can make your own decisions. That's quite nice. So, your decision is now to have the freedom to sleep with anybody. Okay? Okay. Since you are now free as an adult to make decisions, we will now make laws as adults. All right? If you ever get pregnant outside wedlock, I will sequester you from anything connected to me. Now you look for your birth certificate, bring it to my room.
Hey,
Here you go.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Fiona, I don't think you should succumb to the pressure James is putting you into.
What if he ends up cheating on me?
Then clearly he's not your husband. I mean, if he wants you both to get intimate, he should do the needful, which is get married to you. He shouldn't coerce you into doing something you do not want to do.
See, I love him. I love him so much and I do not want to lose him.
Yes, but you shouldn't be foolish either. When is he coming to see your dad?
Soon. That's what he keeps saying.
Honestly, I'm tired of his excesses. He should just do right by you and stop this whole drama already. It's getting too much.
I don't know.
Excuse me, ma. Sorry, excuse me, ma. Sorry, 1 second, ma.
Uriel, is there a problem?
No, not at all. Please, I need another favor from you. That same day, I overheard your friend, my boss, saying that she liked a particular dress.
Okay.
I don't know if you can give me the details of the dress and how to get it. I want to get it for her on her birthday.
I don't understand. What's going on?
Nothing really, ma'am. It's just staff wanting to gift his boss on her birthday.
If you say so. See Andrews on Instagram. Send me a message.
Excuse me, sorry, ma'am. I didn't quite get the spelling. Is it
Sierra. S-I-A.
S-I-A then Andrews.
Correct.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a great day, ma'am. You look good.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
All right.
Ouch! I'm joking. Calm down. Ooh, yes, finally I'm gonna know how to cook. Amazing.
What's going on here?
Morning, sir.
Good morning, Daddy. He's teaching me how to cook.
When did you start getting interested in cooking?
Well, Daddy, your baby girl is getting married soon, so it's necessary that I acquire all the, useful skills. Right, Uriel?
Perfect.
Interesting.
Yes.
Interesting.
Just relax, Daddy, and I will serve you your meal pretty soon. Am I not doing well?
Just go ahead, just chop a little.
Oh, it's too big. I like it big always.
Alright.
So big or small?
So it depends on the occasion, depends on what you're preparing.
Well, thank you very much, Uriel.
Pleasure, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Daddy, what is it?
Well, I hope this one hasn't given you any trouble yet.
Not at all. As a matter of fact, he's the best housekeeper we've had in ages.
Really?
Yes.
Well, with hindsight, I think it was a good thing we employed him.
I know, right? Plus, he cooks so well. Oh my God, his meals are delicious, Daddy. He dresses so well. He has a very great sense of humor. And most importantly, you need to see the way this guy compliments me whenever I dress up to go out.
Really?
Yes. Dad, why is your face like this?
No, all these compliments. I just hope that...
Oh, please, Daddy. He's way below my standard and you know it.
Really?
Yes, Daddy, really.
I was just thinking...
Please, can you just not think right now?
Well,
is it possible?
I don't think it's a crime really thinking, but I'm just imagining.
Do not imagine that, please. It will never happen. So please don't imagine.
Okay, my sweetheart. I might as well swallow what I am having in my mouth.
Yes, Daddy. Swallow it, please. Swallow it. He's just a cook. God.
Life we know is not a tale of black and white.
No. Uriel, I am never stepping foot into that market again. What? The stress and the sun is not for me in any way.
Sorry, ma'am. It's understandable. I mean, this is your first time now, so it's very relatable.
My dear, is this what you go through every day?
Of course, it's but I'm used to it already. It's not a big deal.
It's a big deal for me, oh. Just please don't ever make me do this again.
Let me take these things inside. I'm coming.
Please do. We need to cook. I'm so hungry.
Of course, I'll make you something now.
I don't have any strength to join you in the kitchen. No. I'm so tired.
Rest now. No problem. I'm coming. Let me drop these things inside now.
Oh God. This guy is trying, no.
Life we know is not a tale of black and white. Oh, nothing is as simple as it looks. What we need may not be always by our side. No. The ones you love may never love you back. No. You may wonder, you may question if true love still exists. 'Cause when you find the one for you, you will know. There's a special kind of feeling it gives. When you find the one for you, you will know. There's a special kind of feeling it gives. You should know that love can find you in the strangest places when you're not even looking. You should know you can find love in the strangest people. In the strangest people. Love can find you in the strangest places when you're not even looking. You can find love in the strangest people when you're not even looking. Love can find you in the strangest places when you're not even looking. You should know you can find love in the strangest people. In the strangest people. What we need may not be always by our side. No. The ones you love may never love you back, no. You may wonder, you may question if true love still exists. 'Cause when you find the one for you, you will know. There's a special kind of feeling it gives. When you find the one for you, you will know. There's a special kind of feeling it gives. You should know that love can find you in the strangest places when you're not even looking. You should know you can find love in the strangest people. In the strangest people. Love can find you in the strangest places when you're not even looking. You can find love in the strangest people.
You mean you cooked this?
Yep. Are you surprised?
I am.
Well,
Uriel and I have been doing some culinary classes for the past weeks.
Interesting. So you took an embarrassment from James to push you into learning how to cook.
Rub it on my face. Go ahead.
Anyway, the food tastes nice. I love it.
Of course it does. I'm now a proud cook.
Meanwhile, you and Uriel, what's happening?
What do you mean? And what's supposed to happen?
I think he's hitting on you.
I beg, rest. What kind of talk is that? From where to where now? I beg,
Calm down. But what if he likes you?
Stop it now. Then he will die with the likeness. Uriel and I are never going to happen, so please, don't make me throw up.
You're gonna picture up. Is he not a human?
See, you're gonna make me lose appetite for this food, honestly.
I am sorry, eat. Anyways, I'm happy my girl can now cook.
Tell them.
Good day, sir.
Oh yeah? How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Is everything all right?
Yes, sir. I just want to have a word with you.
So what is that?
Sir, tomorrow is my Fiona's birthday. I was wondering if there is any plans for it.
Oh my word. No, she wouldn't forgive me if I forget. But I don't have anything on my mind now.
I was thinking we can, surprise her, wish her happy birthday while she's still in bed, and then maybe get a cake for tomorrow too,
That's a good idea. It's very brilliant. And thank you for reminding me. We'll do it that way, okay?
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Fiona. That's true. Hey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Many more years to you. Many more years to you. Many more years, many more years. Many more years to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you so much.
Daddy loves you, you know that.
I love you too, Daddy.
Now, this is for your birthday.
Thank you, Daddy.
This is for your birthday.
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Wait, Daddy, how did you remember? I'm sure Sia reminded you.
Not exactly. On the contrary. Uriel reminded me.
Uriel? How? How did you know my birthday?
Well, of course, I use Sia's help, ma'am.
Oh, that explains it. Thank you so much.
All right, sweetheart. I'll go and get set for work.
Okay,
All right.
Daddy.
Happy birthday once again, ma'am.
Thank you, Uriel. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful. Yeah.
Uriel, my tea.
All right, sir.
Happy birthday, Fiona. Yay. Okay. It's my birthday. I'ma do what I like. I'ma do what I like. Yay! Birthday girl.
You should know. Find love in the strangest people. In the strangest people. Love can find you in the strangest places when you're not even looking.
Hello, ma'am.
Alright.
How are you doing? I hope you're enjoying your day.
Of course I am. You know how I am with birthdays. Is there a problem?
Oh, not at all. I just want to give you a gift for your birthday.
Aren't you so sweet? Thank you so much, Uriel. I truly appreciate this.
You're welcome, ma'am.
What? How did you know I love pink?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Uriel! Oh my God, how?
You should know.
I'm sorry. Wow, you got me this dress. You know, I've always wanted to buy. How did you know I wanted this dress so bad?
Well, let me just spare you the nitty-gritties, but see, help me again.
Wow, I've always wanted this dress. I wanted this dress so bad for my birthday, and you just got it for me. Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure, trust me.
Wow, I'm definitely wearing this today.
You are? Oh wow, man, if you wear this today, that's just going to be such an honor to me. It will mean a lot to me.
You have no idea how much I wanted this.
Wow.
This means the whole world to me right now.
So you're going to wear it today?
Yep. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. It's my pleasure again. I will rush back to the kitchen.
Go back to my meal.
All right, ma'am.
Oh my God. Thank you so much. My goodness. Unbelievable.
Okay, let's sing for the birthday girl, my daughter, my beautiful daughter.
Yes, Daddy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. And then many more years to you.
Many more years
to you.
Many
more years, many more years, many more years to you. Beep, beep, beep.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
So, sweetheart, it's your day.
Okay. So I just want to say thank you all for making out time from your busy schedules to celebrate me. You all are the real deal. There is a lot to eat and drink, so be comfortable and please do not forget. Don't go out with my gifts. Drop your gifts before you leave this house, okay? Okay? Are we cheering to something?
Yeah.
Cheers to the girl. Woo!
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
And don't forget to have your roll, okay? Yeah, it is my daughter's birthday. So make yourself happy too.
I'll be right back. Are you having fun?
Yeah, baby girl.
Of course you are.
So, happy birthday once again.
Thank you, baby.
So I got you this.
Oh my God, baby. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
So let me just drop this for you.
Hey. Wait, before you scatter my hair.
Babe,
Yes, baby.
you look so amazing. I can just imagine how beautiful you will look in years to come.
More beautiful, I guess. Baby,
Yes.
I wanted to say I'm sorry for the other day. Look, I promise I'm taking culinary classes and very soon I will be a master chef and I'll make you very great meals.
I'm also very sorry. I should have been more understanding.
It's fine, baby. I completely understand.
Babe.
Yeah. What is it?
Come on. This is just an harmless kiss.
From a harmless kiss? you're going to set my body on fire.
Then?
And I won't be able to resist you. I won't be able to resist it when your hands are crawling all over my body.
Babe, then why starve yourself and starve me too? Babe, come on.
No, baby. James, James, stop it.
Babe, just...
Baby, just stop, James.
You what?
It just happened. I don't know what came over me. I don't even know how. I let my guards down and we made out. But I have drugs.
Better. Anyways, the deed has been done. No need beating around the bush.
I haven't heard from him since then and I'm worried.
I guess he's engaged with work. I'm sure he'll call you later, okay?
Are you sure? Or maybe he didn't like it.
Come on, don't say that. It's okay.
I feel so weird and awkward.
I know, it's okay.
Hello? Man, she has been calling my phone repeatedly. Okay, so now I'm driving to the bank now. Okay, I want to go pay the money into another account before things get suspicious. Okay? Yeah. And that reminds me, how about my traveling details? Please make them available as soon as possible. I need to travel out of this country. Yeah, I don't want to be caught unawares. Okay? Yeah, just make it snappy, please, 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 please. Get out!
What is it?
I can't find my ATM card.
How is that possible? When last did you use it?
James, I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
No. James can't possibly take your ATM.
Then where is it?
Fiona, calm down. I think you're under pressure.
You know what? I'll have to go to his house to see him. Yes, because it's high time I got to the root of this.
Are you sure? Is that necessary?
It's very necessary, my darling. I'll see you.
Can you just hold on?
Are you coming?
Yes.
Fiona. 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 Fiona.
Dad.
It's almost noon and you're not out of bed. And you're running temperature. Now, let's see Dr. John immediately for tests. Let's go.
No, Dad, I'm fine.
You're not fine. We're seeing Dr. John immediately.
Dad, I'm
Meet me downstairs.
Dad,
Where's that
I'm
boy?
fine. It's because I
Uriel!
haven't been sleeping well. I just need to get some more sleep. I'm good.
Uriel!
I'm not going to any doctor's place. I'm fine.
Madam Fiona, I know this may sound very awkward, but I'll be very honest. Since the first day I set my eyes on you, it's been very difficult to get you off my mind. I remember the very first day that I came to this house and I was speaking with your dad and you walked down the stairs majestically like a princess. I'll be very honest, that picture has been hard to erase. I do not just like you because you're beautiful. You're beautiful, you're childlike at heart, you're just spectacular. My guy, you're speaking plenty English. Okay, fine. Madam Fiona, I know life has made us tread different paths. But you see,
Yes. Life has made us thread different paths. Uriel, are you insane?
What is this nonsense coming out from your mouth?
William Shakespeare. I was reciting. Did you hear me?
Did I hear you? Fiona, from the very first day I set my eyes on you, I blah, 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 blah. Are you dumb? Are you stupid? So because you taught me how to cook, or because I gave you the privilege to come close to me, you think I like you? How stupid have you become? Now let me remind you, you are just a housekeeper. In fact, you're a maid. Yes, you're my maid. So know your place and respect yourself, okay?
Madam Fiona, I'm not a maid. I'm not a woman.
Oh, lecture me.
I'm so sorry that you had to work in on me while I was reciting that. I didn't plan for that. At least not now. But I'll be very honest. Those words were not a lie. I meant every word. Because I consider you amazing. I consider you spectacular. And I'm not just saying this because you're beautiful or because of the beautiful and apparently rich life that you have. That was just, you know, me responding to the impulse and stimulus of my heart and finding expression, you know, in that regard. I apologize. I know you have a boyfriend and I totally respect.
Oh, will you shut your mouth? I consider you beautiful. I consider you, so I'm supposed to get wet because of those stupid words you said. Huh? You're a maid, okay? You're a maid and I will call you whatever I want to call you. In fact, you're a help, my servant, and that is what you will always remain. Do I make myself clear? Now, the next time you try this nonsense again, I promise I'll fire you. It seems like you've forgotten you have 2 trials left. Right now, you have only 1 trial. You just used one. One more mistake and you're out of this house. Maid. Now come do what you know how to do best. Let me see.
Uriel.
Yes, sir. Sir?
Sit.
Sir, I should sit.
Sit. My daughter made some complaints against you, that you were proposing to her.
Sir, please. Sir, please, I'm really sorry. Honestly, I never intended to cross my boundaries. It was not part of the plan.
Get up.
Sir, please.
Get up. You know, Uriel, if it was in those days when, you know, children listened to their fathers and men introduced husbands to their daughters, I would have introduced my daughter to you. You are a hardworking, good young man. And I like that. Don't think any less of yourself. She must have said unprintable things to you. Just take it like that. Okay? Trudge on. Keep trying. Okay? By the way, Uriel, why do you love my daughter?
God. Sir, honestly, I can't even explain. I think it just comes naturally.
I understand. Understand?
Sir, I should carry my bags.
Go back to your work.
If true love still exists.
Okay, sir.
Cause when you find the one for you, you will know. There's a special kind of feeling.
The young man must have
you
peed in his
give.
pants.
When you find the one for you, you will know. know there's a special kind of feeling it gives. You should know that love can find you in the strangest places when you're not even looking. You should know you can find love in the strangest people. In the strangest people. Looking. Love can find you in the strangest places when you're not even looking. You can find love in the strangest people when you're not even looking. Love can find you in the strangest places when you're not even looking. You should know you can find love in the strangest people. In the strangest people.
You what? You what?
Dad, I'm sorry.
Fiona, you got pregnant for that unrepentant fop? Look at the embarrassment you brought upon yourself and upon this family.
Daddy, please, I'm sorry. Forgive me.
Fiona, I warned you. I warned you that any day you get pregnant outside wedlock, I will sequester you from everything connected with me.
No, Daddy, please don't do this to me. I'm sorry.
Watch me.
Daddy, please.
Watch
I'm
me.
sorry, Daddy.
Watch
Daddy,
me.
please. Daddy, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Dad, I'm sorry. Sia, my life is falling into pieces. Look at what I've done to myself. I wouldn't have lived. Like, how could he? How could James of all people do this to me? Not only did he get me pregnant and run away, he transferred all my money to himself. Turns out he requested for a code from my bank and deleted the message the very day he slept with me in this house. How wicked can he be?
Honestly, that guy is so mean. But what is your dad saying in all of this?
He's trying to track him down with the help of some detectives.
About the pregnancy, what do you intend to do?
I don't know. See, I have no idea. But sincerely, I'm not thinking of an abortion.
I won't even let you do that.
You know, my dad is threatening to disown me.
Oh dear, I'm so sorry.
I honestly don't know what to do. I honestly don't know what to do. What are people going to say, Sia? Imagine me, a single mother. People are definitely going to laugh at me. I don't know what to do. And you know, there is Uriel opening his stupid mouth to profess love to me. I don't know, man. My life is just a disaster.
It's okay. Come on, don't say that. Don't worry.
I'm just tired of life.
Just stay calm. Everything will be fine, okay? It's okay.
Madam Fiona, I noticed you've not eaten for some days now. Sorry, I brought your food to you. Ma'am, I know you're going through a lot. This must be a very tough season for you. But you actually need to eat something. It's not nice for you to go days without eating. It's not healthy for you.
If you do not get out of my room with that nonsense you're holding, I promise I'll baptize you with it. Leave my room and never return.
Okay, ma'am. Let me just drop it for you then.
I said get out!
Uriel?
Chief.
You said you wanted to see me?
Yes, sir.
Sit.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I honestly do not intend to meddle in family affairs. But I ask that you reconsider your decision. She's your only daughter, the apple of your eyes. I think at this point, you need to find a way and stand by her, despite the odds.
Uriel.
Sir?
Fiona is pregnant, outside wedlock. But that's not the issue. The issue is, who will train that child with her? Who will stay by her and that child? Who will love her and embrace her with that child? That's the crux of the matter.
Responsible men out there would love her regardless. Love her and take care of the child. Yes, I mean, your daughter is an amazing person, sir. She's beautiful. Beyond that, she's great. Despite the fact that sometimes I know she can be a lot, but she's a pearl. She's a rare gem.
Uriel.
Sir.
Thank you for your sentiments about my daughter. Thank you. But you don't really understand the situation. You haven't comprehended the depth of the problem. Thank you, Sam. Thank you.
Sir, well, I can speak for myself too. You know, if I ever, just assuming that I am given the opportunity, why not? I'll love her with everything, and the baby will be mine. I'll take full responsibility of the baby too. Sir, I'm just saying this to say that it's definitely not the end of the road for her. It's not really. I know you feel sad, I know, but at this point, sir, it's not the end of the road, sir. Not at all.
Oh yeah.
Sir?
I will be traveling tomorrow. Take care of my family, take care of my daughter and the house, all right? Go back to your job. Thank you.
Sir?
Thank you, Uriel.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Please don't. Please don't kill yourself, ma'am. Don't do this to yourself. I know you're very hot, but nothing is worth taking your life for. Ma'am, your dad needs you. You know that, right? Sia loves you. What about your unborn child too? We love you. I love you, ma'am. Please. I mean, I don't expect you to love me back. But the important thing is that you need to stay alive for those that love you. It's not worth it.
I warned you. I told you never to say those words to me again. Perhaps you thought I was joking, right? First thing tomorrow morning, I want you to pack your shit and get the hell out of my house. Don't bother telling my dad. I'll inform him of your exit.
Please.
Get out!
Fine, but keep away the knife.
I said get out.
Ma'am, I will, but...
Get out.
Please.
Get out! Get out!
Hello.
What we need may not be always by your side, no.
What's happening? Why are you with your bag?
I guess I'm done working here. I'm leaving.
What do you mean you're done working here? Wait, does it have anything to do with Fiona? You know what, just hold on. Please don't go anywhere. You can't leave like that. I will go in and talk to her. Don't go anywhere, please. Please.
When you find the one for you, you will know. There's a special kind of feeling it gives. You should know that.
Fiona!
What is it?
What's happening? Why is Uriel out there with his bag?
He hasn't left already?
Why is he leaving?
It's simple. We no longer require his services.
Why? Because he professed his feelings to you again? Come on, Fiona, what is wrong with you? Why are you doing this to yourself? Why?
Look, I don't understand you at all. What's your problem? Since when did my decision become a thing of concern to you?
Wait, you actually want me? You expect me to date that poor brat? Why? Because he's poor? Because he's not in your class? Let me remind you that you're rich today is because of your dad. So do not let your pride ruin you of this opportunity. Come on, Fiona, at least you both have had a good flow of communication. Why do you want to ruin it now?
I beg, just stop it. I'm not in this mood for these your pep talks. If you like him so much, why don't you just go be with him? Huh? You know what?
Fiona, no! Fiona, hold on! Fiona!
You!
Fiona!
Did I have water in my mouth when I asked you to leave?
No, I was about leaving already.
So what are you still doing here? Huh? Will you get this thing out of this place this minute? Look at you. You have the effrontery to tell me you love me. Can your salary buy one of my wigs? Huh? Answer me! Get this thing out of this place! You know, I see what's going on here. You're looking for a sugar mommy, right? Huh? You want to milk me. You're looking for somebody that'll be dashing you money anyhow. Listen to me and listen good. I am not that girl. So get out. Get out of this place! Get out before I kick you out. No. Poor broke fool.
Fiona,
you better don't say what to me.
Come on, that wasn't necessary.
Fiona!
No.
Fiona!
You may wonder, you may
Fiona?
question if true love still
Fiona?
exists.
Sweetheart.
Because when you find the one,
I haven't seen Uriel since I came back. Did he take some days off?
I sacked him.
What? You did what?
I fired
What did he
him.
do? What did he do?
Can you imagine? That fool opened his smelly mouth to profess love to me.
Oh. Is that a crime?
Dad,
Yes.
would you have expected me to be with that poor brat?
But,
Come on.
but the James you were with, what came out of it?
Dad, please. Not again.
Oh, Fiona. At times I wonder how you think. This is a hard-working young man who is prepared to take responsibility for your unborn child, while the one who is actually responsible for your pregnancy decided to abscond. And you don't want him because you think he's poor. Oh, Fiona. Fiona. Ah, Fiona. There is a very big difference between a lion and the squirrel. Think about it. Sweetheart, let me take a walk. I'll be right back. I'll be back.
Well, I know I'm the lion in whatever that phrase means. I'm not a squirrel. Lion and squirrel.
Love is patient, love is caring, love opens up all doors, love opens up all doors. Love is endearing, love is supporting, love opens up more. With just a little bit of time, just a little bit of time, everything aligned to it. Just a little bit of time, just a little bit of time, everything aligns. There's a breeze of love. 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 A breeze There's a breeze of love. There's a breeze of love. A breeze of
She is really beautiful. Her smile is perfect. Her body is perfect. Her curves, her skin, her strength is unique. And for every moment I get to spend with this girl, I wait expectantly for the next. Would you ever love me? Would you ever notice me? I'm scared. I'm worried if I ever stand a chance with her, but I'm willing to try. I love you, Fiona.
No. Yeah, I can hear you, yes? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, no. Look, listen. There is no time you can't invest if you know how to manage business. I am investing. Of course I'm investing. Why not? Oh, of course. Okay. All right, dear. We'll keep talking, all right? Thank you. Oh, sweetheart.
Dad?
Yes.
I wanted to find out if the police has finally caught up with James.
Oh, well, they're working on it, they say.
Okay.
Sweetheart,
Yes, Daddy?
is everything all right with you?
Yes, Dad?
Yes.
I also wanted to ask you if you, by any chance, have Uriel's number.
Why?
Or, better still, any means I could reach out to the agency.
Why would you want that?
I want to employ him back.
My dear, if you employ him as a houseboy, no. You know, he has gone through a lot.
Daddy, please. All I need is his number. This house has been so empty without him.
Sweetheart, if he's a housekeeper that you want, I will employ one for you. Is that all right?
Yes, Dad.
Okay. Well, the chicken has come to roost.
I really can't believe he was documenting all of this.
I couldn't believe my eyes either.
So what do you want to do now?
Well, I've been trying to reach him to no avail. No one seems to have his number, and my dad isn't willing to help matters.
You've been trying to reach him. What for? Why?
Oh, please, yeah. And don't make this more difficult than it already is.
No, I'm trying to understand. Do you want him back as a housekeeper or what?
I know this is going to sound very awkward, but the past week has been so dreadful. It's like he took a piece of me and left with it. I think about him all the time. I think about him when I'm in the kitchen, in my room, everywhere. I guess I started liking him without even knowing it. You know what they say? You don't appreciate what you have until you lose it. Yes. I was blinded by the fact that I'm more at an advantage than him, forgetting that love was beyond all of that. Honestly, Sia, I regret my actions.
Come here. It's okay. Even if we don't get to reach him, a better person will come, okay?
I don't want to be a person.
Oh, someone is in love.
I never said I was in love.
Don't worry, okay.
We'll find him.
If you are saying this, then that means you must have started reading my love letters. Well, here's my number.
Uriel, pick your call. Pick your call.
Fiona, what is wrong?
Dad, I said I've been calling him. I've been calling and calling. The phone keeps ringing, but he's not taking my calls.
But I thought you said you didn't want to have anything to do with him, isn't it?
Come on, Dad, why are you doing this to me now? Why are you rubbing it in my face? Yes, I know I was foolish. I was so foolish, but right now I am willing to make amends. I want to make everything right before it's too late. Daddy, please, is there any way you can help me? Please.
Come here. I will. I'll do something about it. All right?
Thank you, Daddy.
I want to bring back this smile. I want that smile back, huh? All right. Okay.
Hello?
Hello, good morning. I'm sorry I've been missing your calls. You kept calling at the wrong time.
Oh, I'm sorry. I just wanted to reach out to Uriel.
And you are?
I'm Fiona.
Oh, I will inform him and get back to you.
Okay, thank you.
What if that's his girlfriend?
Well, I wouldn't know if I keep staying here. She sent his address, so I'm going there. Besides, I'm going into disguise to return the book he left behind.
You have to be careful though. And make sure to use every opportunity you get.
Of course I will.
You know, pink looks so good on you.
It does? Thank you, darling. Low-key, I wish she's not his girlfriend.
I literally guess that.
Good?
Yeah, good.
Hey, Fiona, what's up? Well, I'm so sorry that I kept you waiting yesterday. I was attending to 1 or 2 business meetings.
Business meetings? I thought you're a...
Housekeeper, right? You see, Miss Fiona, there are a lot of things you don't know about me. First of all, my name is Uriel Lewis. Lewis Merchandise. Rings a bell, huh? Anyways, it's nice to see you once again.
Yes. Oh, Yes, I came to return your book.
Oh, this book. Thank you very much.
I guess I should be on my way.
Farewell.
Uriel? I said so many horrible things to you. On no account should I have said those things to you, and I am sincerely sorry. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. I did everything I did because I was trying to chase you away. I was trying to deny the fact that I had fallen in love with you. I loved you from the very first day I set my eyes on you, and I couldn't help it because you were just my maid, my house help, and I didn't think we were compatible because of our social class. People often turn against other people because they see on the surface, they don't see beyond the surface. But I've come to realize that we could have gold beneath us and still be blind to it. Uriel, you're everything I've ever prayed and longed for. You're kind, hardworking, smart, sweet, caring, and I was a fool to have let you go. Please, give me another chance. I know I said 3 trials, but I am willing to give you forever. Forever to make 1,000 mistakes. If you'll have me, please.
Fiona, I never stopped loving you. 1 month is too short a time for me to fall out of love with you. I loved you from the very offset. The first day I set my eyes on you. I'm going to love you forever, probably, if you let me. And I love you very much right now. You see, if you give me 1,000 trials, I swear down, I'll jump on it. Because I love you very much.
I'm so sorry. I was so stupid. I'm sorry, and I love you. I love you so much. I can't do without you. I wasn't myself when you were away from the house. I
love you. I love you more, baby. I honestly do.
I love you so much. Thank you. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, darling.
You know, I never really knew a day like this will come. That I'll sit in front of both of you and see you look at each other that way.
Daddy, you've said this for the 15th time.
It was true. But I mean, I thank God it's happening. You almost deceived me.
This guy.
Yes, he almost deceived me, but I saw through him.
You did?
Of course.
Well, I didn't see through him.
His demeanor, his attitude, the way he spoke, the way he did things. I began to really see that someone who did that had an elevated status.
Yeah, no wonder he was so smart.
See what I mean?
So smart. The only time I suspected was one day when he was telling me so much about medicine. He was talking about stroke and calling it some funny names. And I was like, how did this guy know all of this information? Yeah, I was really shocked and impressed, of course. But, I mean,
I'm good to have you here.
You know, poor people can still be well-read and intelligent, right?
But
you thought I was poor?
Yes, I saw you as a poor, broke fool. What did you call it?
PBF.
but that's also why you should you should treat people from the point of view of social stratification, whether they're poor, big, small, and stuff like that.
I totally agree.
Yeah, but look at people from the functional point of view, what they can do, what they represent. And that was what you did.
Sorry. Also, I really appreciate you very much. Thank you so much once again. Thank you for entrusting this beautiful queen, Queen of Jupiter, into my hands.
I trust you.
Yes, that's good. I don't take it for granted. Dad, I must be very frank. You're such a deep soul. For a wealthy man like you to regard a poor, peasant, it tells a lot. You really took me like your son. You didn't even know my status. I appreciate that, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay,
You're welcome.
now can we continue eating?
We can. I'm actually very happy, so.
Dad, you know I made this meal, right? I cooked it myself.
Really?
Yes.
How did that happen?
He tapped me.
Now, 5-star clap. 1, 2, 3.